Some secrets about YouTube. The letter K, it used to pause the video. The letter L, it used to go forward the video by 10 seconds. The letter J, it used to go backward the video by 10 seconds. The letter F, it is used for full screen. The letter I, it is used for mini player. The letter T, it is used for cinema mode. The letter C, it is used for closed caption. The letter M, it is used to mute the video. Some browser keyword shortcuts. Ctrl plus N, it used to open a window. Ctrl plus T, it used to open a tab. Ctrl plus W, it used to close a tab. Ctrl plus Shift plus T is used to reopen the last closed tab. Ctrl plus Shift plus W is used to close all open windows. Ctrl plus Shift plus N is used to open a new and private window. Ctrl plus Tab is used to switch between tabs. Ctrl plus R or F5 is used to refresh the page. Ctrl and plus key or minus key is used to zoom in or out of page by 10%. Ctrl plus D is used to add the current site to your favorite list. Ctrl plus Shift plus O is used to watch my favorite list. Ctrl plus Shift plus Y is used to open collections. Ctrl plus Shift plus U is used to read aloud the current page. Ctrl plus H is used to open history page. Ctrl plus J is used to show the download window. Ctrl plus E is used to select the search box. Ctrl plus C is used to copy the item or text. Ctrl plus X is used to cut the selected item or text. Ctrl plus V is used to paste the copy item or text. Alt plus left arrow is a click to go back to the previous page. Alt plus right arrow is a click to go forward. Alt plus D is used to select the address bar. Desktop. Ctrl plus Shift plus N is used to create a new folder. Ctrl plus D is used to move the selected item to the trash. Ctrl plus Shift plus ESC is used to show the task manager. Num, lag, and plus key are used to show the contents of the selected folder. Num, lag, and minus key are used to collapse the selected folder. Some Windows shortcut keys. Windows logo key plus D is used to minimize a window and go back to it. Windows logo key plus U or plus I is used to open accessibility settings. Windows logo key and period key or semicolon key are used to open the emoji panel. Windows logo key plus M is used to minimize all windows. Windows logo key plus Shift plus M are used to restore windows that were minimized. Windows logo key plus up arrow is used to maximize the current window. Windows logo key plus down arrow are used to minimize the current window. Windows logo key plus left arrow are used to maximize the app or desktop window to the left side of the screen. Windows logo key plus right arrow are used to maximize the app or desktop window to the right side of the screen. Windows logo key plus Shift plus S is used to take a screenshot of part of your screen. Windows logo key plus T are used to recycle through apps on the taskbar. Windows logo key plus Ctrl plus Enter are used to turn on the narrator. Windows logo key plus L are used to lock your PC or switch accounts. Windows logo key plus S is used to open search. Windows logo key plus R is used to open the RAM menu. Windows logo key plus E are used to open the File Explorer. Some Microsoft shortcut keys. Ctrl plus A are used to select all the items. Ctrl plus B are used to make bold the text. Ctrl plus L are used to italicize highlighted section. Ctrl plus U are used to underline highlighted section. Ctrl plus Y are used to redo the last action. Ctrl plus Z are used to undo the last action. Ctrl plus S are used to save the current document.